Hello, and welcome to Midwest Shooting Center. My name is John, and on behalf of everyone here, I want to thank you for choosing us as a destination for your shooting, training, and entertainment needs. We value safety, so we'd like to take a few minutes to go over the rules with you. We're sure you're excited to get to the range, but first we need to go over the rules. Number one, always keep your firearm pointed in a safe direction. At Midwest Shooting Center, that will always be downrange. Secondly, always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. That is once your sights are aligned and you are pointed at your intended target. Third, always keep your firearm unloaded until it is ready to use. Absolutely no firearm should be loaded when going out onto the range. And fourth, always know your target and what is beyond it. When you arrive, please check in on our range counter to make sure you are set up with your liability waiver, to have your ammunition inspected, and to get your lane assignment. This is also a great time to ask about our rental fleet or to ask any questions you may have before going out to the range. Before walking to the range counter and pay for your range time, I would like to let you know that our members shoot for free no matter how often they visit us. If you'd like to take advantage of Midwest Shooting Center members' benefits, including unlimited range time, discounts on rentals and classes, online lane reservations, access to our exclusive members-only lounge and events, monthly guest passes, and more, please scan the QR code to learn more. By signing up, your visit today will be free. Being an MSC members is the most cost-effective way to use our safe and well-maintained indoor shooting range. Please remember that your firearms must always be in a case when transporting them through our facility. Your firearm cannot be removed from its case until you arrive at your assigned shooting stall. If you are at the range or retail counter speaking with an associate, or at the gunsmith counter speaking to our gunsmith, this rule does not apply to anyone concealed carrying a firearm or open carrying a firearm. However, we ask that if you are wearing a firearm for the purpose of self-defense, that you please leave the firearm holstered at all times. Firearms that must remain in a case are only the firearms you intend to use on the range, or firearms you intend to bring to the gunsmith, or firearms you intend to bring to an associate for appraisal or some other purpose. If you do not have a case for your firearm, please speak with an associate and they can provide you with a solution. Eye and ear protection must be worn by everyone when entering the range. When you enter the range, please proceed directly to the lane that you were assigned. When you get to your lane, please orient all firearms downrange before any additional handling or firing. This may require moving your bag, case, or rental tote. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with your assigned lane and any issues or concerns that you need to be addressed with a range safety officer prior to firing. If you're a new shooter, please let us know so that one of our range safety officers may accompany you to the range to ensure a safe visit for you today. We at Midwest Shooting Center have a robust firearms training program that can help increase your confidence on the range, enhance skills, and teach you more about gun safety. If this is something that interests you, simply scan the QR code shown to schedule a free consultation with one of our certified private firearm instructors. Our private one-on-one training programs are available for all levels from beginner to advanced, and each program is customized based on your specific needs. Make the most of your time on the range with personalized training. Schedule your free consultation today. We do allow up to 2 individuals per lane, but only allow 1 shooter at a time in each lane, taking turns alternating between periods of fire. Any additional shooters need to stand to the rear of the stalls against the back wall of the shooting bay until they can safely rotate in. When you're ready to stop shooting and change firearms or shooters, please make sure the firearms are unloaded. The safety is on, the action is locked to the rear with the ejection port facing up or the chambers open and clearly visible. No one is permitted to move, lean, or reach beyond the firing line. If at any point something would go beyond the firing line, please reach out to a range safety officer for assistance. All of our employees are certified range safety officers. The range safety officer's primary responsibility is to ensure the safety of all of our patrons. However, if you happen to notice anything unsafe, please stop shooting and call a ceasefire immediately. In the event of a ceasefire, all shooters need to stop shooting and wait for further instructions from the range safety officer. All range safety officer instructions should be followed at all times. If you have any questions that do not warrant a ceasefire, please press the attendant button and we will be sure to assist you as soon as possible. When you are finished shooting, be sure to clear your firearms and store them properly before moving away from the lane. Take a moment to ensure you have everything you brought with you, as well as clean up any trash or shell casings so that the next shooter has a clean lane when they arrive. All spent casings should be swept forward of the firing line. These safety rules, as well as additional range rules, can be found throughout the facility. Please take a moment to read all of our rules. If there's anything that is unclear, or if you have any questions, please see a member of our range team for further clarification. Remember that it is easier to ask questions up front before entering the shooting bay than when you arrive in the noisy live fire area, but always ask questions when you have them. Once again, thank you for choosing Midwest Shooting Center. We hope you enjoy your time with us, and we look forward to seeing you again at your next visit.